All right, today we're going to bring an iPhone 15 case. If you guys can see, this is a silicone cover included with a very soft, smooth area inside. So I like the indentation that it has on the corner. This is for your actual camera. It has all the buttons that you require. And of course, we're going to test it out and see how it fits. So this was actually very smooth to set up. It's easy. It just clips in there and you pretty much have access to all the buttons here, your camera, all right, access to your camera, your charging station, your microphone, your speaker. Pretty much everything's accessible. The actual cover itself, if you guys can see, I like slip-on cover that you put on your phone. If you ever want to clean it up, you just, pretty much just move it to the side and take the whole thing out and clean it up. But requirements for this, all you got to do is get your own glass cover and you're all set, because this one, very durable, easy to install, easy to use. I like the whole thing all around. They have different colors and sizes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.